What's the meaning of actually? Actually. 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 Actually is an adverb that is commonly used to express a contrast between what was thought or expected and what is true or real. It can also be used to emphasize a point or to correct a previous statement. For example, if someone says, "I thought the movie was terrible," another person might respond with, "Actually, I really enjoyed it." In this case, the word actually is used to contradict the initial statement and express a different opinion. Overall, actually is a versatile word that helps convey a sense of accuracy, truthfulness, and contrast in conversation.